To perform Google backup on the Google Pixel 9 Pro, first of all you have to go for settings. Right now keep scrolling until you find Google, which is located right here, and then go for all services. You have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data to perform the backup. Click here and be sure that you turn on this one, the backup by Google one, and there's some base information, what we can backup, like apps, photos and videos, and it's actually turned off, so we have to just click here on the switcher, and other stuff like, for example, the call history, the device settings. You can even perform the backup by using your mobile data. And now if you want to start, click here to backup now. You have to input your screen lock method, and now it's backing up our data. So we just have to wait, and we've got information, by the way, that our device backs up automatically over the Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. The backup process can also follow right here. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.